Hello, beauties. Did you miss me? Lips first touch, get left in the dust. No room to judge. Talking business, slow down. Lips first touch, get left in the dust. Today on my video on my channel, we're gonna be doing a grocery haul. So I went to Walmart and I picked up a few things for the week. Some things I already have in the freezer or the fridge, but this is my grocery haul for the week. First, I got some shrimps so I can make something with it. And then I also bought the rotisserie seasoned chicken so I can put this on my flatbread so I can have this for lunch for the week as well. Maybe like 1 or 2 flatbreads for the week so I can have that chicken with that. I also picked up some yogurt. It's the orange flavored yogurt. They didn't have key lime, so I had to get the orange flavored one, which is fine. I also picked up this Applegate natural savory turkey breakfast sausage. I like these. These are really good. I tried the chicken apple sausage. I had that last week and I really like that one. I also picked up some Power waffles. It's the protein pack and it's buttermilk and vanilla flavored. So I can't wait to try this. I'm gonna have this with the sausage and some eggs for if I can get up there early in the morning and make it.
Why you always lying?
I also picked up some eggs, the 12 counts, the large eggs. I'm gonna have that for breakfast. I also have 2 flatbreads. I picked up the light original one and I also have the light Italian herb one. So I'm excited to try that. This one the Italian herb one I'm gonna try today. So I also have here some gourmet pepperoni. So this is gonna go on the flatbread today. And I also have some pasta, some Alfredo seasoning. Wrong. Some Alfredo sauce. Sorry, seasoning. Some Alfredo sauce. Some pizza sauce for today. Some pineapple chunks. This is gonna go I'm gonna pack this with me for lunch. So I have like a flatbread and the pineapples on the side. And I also have some spinach here. This is gonna go in the flatbread so I can have the flatbread, the meat, and then pineapples on the side. And I have some chips, the Flamin' Hot Chipotle Ranch chips, and the Poppables, the sea salt ones. I never tried these, so I was like, let me try these chips. I also have 2 bottles of water. I'm excited about that. And this is my miscellaneous product. I picked up Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil in the scent lavender. It has jojoba oil, sweet almond oil, and aloe vera. So this is gonna go on the body after I shower. That's all that I picked up today from the grocery store. And that's about all. So sorry I've been missing for so long. It's just been hectic and a lot of things going on. But I am back and I missed y'all so much. So bye, beauty.